Hey guys, welcome back to Holistic Tips with Nicole. Today we're going to be making a super easy organic 4-bean chili in my slow cooker. You're just going to simply combine the ingredients and let the slow cooker do all the work. These slow cooker liners are amazing for helping with easy cleanup. So now that your slow cooker is ready to go, you want to make sure that you're rinsing and draining all of your beans. Here I have organic black beans, 15.5 ounces, 2 cans. Next I have 2 cans of organic red kidney beans. Now I'm adding organic Great Northern beans. Just 1 can. And lastly, 1 can of organic pinto beans. Now you just want to make sure you give them a good rinse. And now we're going to chop 1 big beautiful organic onion. It doesn't have to be red, so whatever you have on hand is fine. Next we're going to mince 2 cloves of organic garlic. Now you want to set your slow cooker either for 2 to 3 hours on high or 4 to 6 hours on low. I'm choosing to put it on high because I want to do it a little bit more quickly. And now we're going to add our rinsed beans right into the slow cooker. 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes with basil, or you could use diced tomatoes with chilies to make your chili spicy. And 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Next we'll add our chopped onion and minced garlic, and a packet of organic taco seasoning mix. And we'll give it a nice stir. Place the cover on top and cook between 2 and 3 hours. After about 2.5 hours, I added a package of frozen thawed organic super sweet corn. I'm going to stir that in and cook for another 30 minutes. And once the 30 minutes have passed, I'm going to turn off the heat and add about a cup of chopped organic cilantro. Yum! Additionally, we're going to take half a lime and just juice it in. Going to give it a good stir, and boy was this delicious. It's a guilt-free meal, so nutritious, including things like iron and magnesium, potassium. Some beans are a good source of B vitamins and selenium, which is good for your thyroid. Not to mention that beans are good sources of antioxidants. For example, black beans, red beans, pinto beans, kidney beans. They contain amazing compounds found in deeply colored foods like berries, red cabbage, red wine, and eggplant. So these types of beans are an excellent way to round out a diet that may be lacking in certain nutrients, especially for vegetarians and vegans who may be deficient in certain vitamins. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you do this recipe, how you liked it, and if you have any tips on maybe even making it taste better. Also, what I do sometimes when I want more of a dip-like consistency, I'll throw on some organic cheddar cheese, throw it in the microwave, and warm it up, and it's like the perfect dip. So anyway, I will see you all in my next video.